Uploading your YouTube shorts from your phone has one key advantage over uploading them from your PC, and I'm gonna tell you what that is in this video. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. So I'm sure that you watch a lot of YouTube shorts alongside with TikToks and Instagram Reels. Basically, they're all the same. Short form video content is trending. So if you're a creator, I'm sure that you are creating shorts as well. Or if you're not, then you're missing out on a lot of views. And statistics prove this right, that a lot of people watch and a lot of people create shorts. Okay, so how to make YouTube shorts? If you want to make YouTube shorts, you should choose a topic that interests you the most. It can be a funny genre, educational content. Thing is to choose what you're good at or interested in. Then create yourself a workflow. Write a script, shoot it, edit it, add effects, and then share it. I mean, it does sound simple, but it actually is simple because the thing about YouTube shorts or just the short form content in general, that they don't have to be polished videos. You can grab your phone, record something, say a joke, do a trick, whatever, and directly upload it on YouTube and people will watch it. Now let's say that you're already a creator. You've been making videos, long form videos for a while, and now you want to turn those videos into YouTube shorts. The key difference between long form content and short form content is the aspect ratio. Long form content generally has the horizontal 16:9 aspect ratio, while short form content has the vertical 9:16. Now, in order to turn a 16:9 aspect ratio into 9:16, you have to crop into it, which means that a lot of information will stay on the sides. But there are tools to fix this, which will automatically reframe the entire video so that the most important parts of the video stay in the center. And the UniConverter has a tool that does exactly this, and it's called the auto crop tool. Let's check it out, how it works. So the very first thing that you need to do is grab the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com and then open it up and find the auto crop feature in the AI lab. Now import your video into the tool. In the upper right corner, make sure that you have the adjust frame selected so that the automatic reframing is turned on. Then choose your aspect ratio. You can choose by platform. As you can see, it has presets for all major platforms, and actually you can also set up a custom aspect ratio if that's what you need, but for YouTube shorts we're gonna need the 9:16 one. On the left side, this orange bracket here is your new frame. So moving on, below the aspect ratio settings, you can see motion speed. Here you can give a small little hand to the tool by telling it whether the video has slower or faster movement, or you can just have a default setting which is basically in between the two. It will have the AI analyze the content better and give you a better result. Now, if the framing is not entirely perfect, you can adjust it manually as well, not only the aspect ratio, but also where the frame is. You can animate it with keyframes. Just make sure that you click right over here, and then you move the frame, and then you click on the add keyframe again, and then you move the frame again. You can go over the entire video and fix wherever you need to fix it. And once you're ready, click on export. And that's it. Now you have a vertical version of your long form video, which then you can trim and turn into shorter segments so it would fit within the 60-second long limit. And for that, I also have a tool for you that will basically create these shorts automatically. The tool is called the auto highlight tool. So you can use the auto highlight tool in the UniConverter to make shorts out of long videos. This feature is a time saver and you'll see why. The tool analyzes your full video and chooses highlight moments and then compiles it into one video, resulting in a YouTube shorts, for example, ready to be uploaded. To use it, import your long form video into the tool. And then here within the settings, choose the duration of the video. You have presets for multiple platforms. For YouTube shorts, select 60 seconds, click on export, and done. Okay, now you have a video which is ready to be uploaded, but should you upload it from your phone or from desktop? Like I said, there is one key advantage to uploading your video from your phone, and this is what it is. YouTube will let you choose a thumbnail for your short if you upload it from your mobile device. See, if you upload the video from your PC, your thumbnail will be the very first frame of the video, which might not be what you want. But if you upload the video from your phone, you can choose any frames from the video. And like we all know, a thumbnail is very important for your video's success. If you don't do this, you might miss out on a lot of views. So here is how to upload a YouTube short from your phone. Go to the YouTube app and at the bottom, tap on the plus icon here and then choose your video from your photo library. Now here you can trim your video, you can add effects to it and all the good stuff. But since I suppose that your video is already done, just move on to this page where you can give your video a title, some description. And if you click on the video thumbnail here, you can scroll through the video and choose a frame to then use as your real YouTube video thumbnail. And then just tap on upload. Your shorts will be uploaded within a few minutes depending on your internet connection. So it's super simple, anyone can do it. And since pretty much everybody has a smartphone, nothing can stop you from uploading YouTube shorts and gaining some YouTube success. Now don't forget to use the UniConverter. It's a very versatile tool with many features, and I'm sure that you'll find one that you can use on a daily basis too. But that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.